This group was told to make project on new weapons that are being used during the time of war. Let us see how well they have prepared it and how well they are going to deliver it in front of the class. All the best, Anjali's group. You can start now.
Good afternoon to everyone. Before introducing our group, I once like to thank to Adit sir for giving us this opportunity because it shows our ability, skills and our intelligence also. So now I am going to introduce my mom members. So he is Chiranjeev, he is Shravan, she is Hiba Khan, Krisha, Deepak, Tanish, Suraj and Safar. So let's start our presentation. First, I want to tell you some information about modern weapons. So first, let us know what is modern weapons. So since ancient times, everyone have their own countries, own kingdoms, etc. And they fought for this. And war was also happened for this. So they use some tools in the war for protecting themselves and also protecting the citizens and countries. So they use some kinds of tools, and these known as modern weapons. These known as weapons, and the modern weapons are those weapons which are used after 1600. That is it in the modern era. So we are stick to some modern weapons and their specific names. So everyone, one by one, everyone comes and gives some information about a specific weapons. So let's start our presentation.
Good afternoon, my dear friends and my dear teachers. My name is Shafakan and I am from 10th standard. Today I am here to present you some short information about the modern weapon. One of the most modern weapon I consider the Vidvansa, known as Vidvansa anti-material rifle. And also, my dear friends, it was with a great pride that I speak you today about the remarkable achievement in the fields of defense technology. Yes, India is owned the Vidvansa anti-material sniper rifle. Yes, and we should know about this history. So in 2004, India won some powerful weapon. So they are talked to the Daniel company in South African state. But in 2005, the Daniel company was blacklisted in Indian government due to some interruption, corruptions and bravery in defense deal. But in 2018, the Daniel company was removed from the blacklist because during the blacklisted of Daniel company, India has made this powerful weapon, the Vidvansa anti-material sniper rifle, and it is used in such hard targets like the bunkers, tanks, and other fortified positions. And the Vidvansa's name means it's the destroyer. And I should also invite the Suraj to present you some special features.
My name is Suraj Khalil. I am doing the special features about Vidvansa, anti-material sniper and rifle. This system has three different categories. First, 14.5 mm, 20 mm. These weapons weigh 25 kilograms. This Vidvansa is not just a weapon; it is a symbol of country definition manufacture.
Myself Tanish Shankar. I am going to tell you about some information about grenades. The term of grenade is from the Latin language. The grenade is filled with the grain known as TNT. Also, TNT, the full form is TNT is trinitrotoluene. It was discovered by William Mills in 1906 and it was started to use in 1915 was. There was not actual grenade that are seen now like this. There was stick grenade. It is not used nowadays because the stick grenade are so heavy to carry, and the mechanism of the stick grenade is to pull the metal cap to pull and throw it away because it takes 4.2 seconds to explode. The stick grenade are the name of the stick grenade is German WW1 grenade. Nowadays, but firstly it was known as Mills bomb. Thank you.
Myself Hiba Khan, and now I am going to tell you about the weapon and
M9 Buick. The M9 Buick is officially known as the M9 Phobos, is an American multi-purpose knife which is adopted in 1986 by the United States Armed Forces. M9 Bayonet is in a 7-inch 18 centimeter and blade with a sheet designed to double as a wire cutter. The M9 Bayonet is designed to function not only as a combat knife but also as a multi-tool capable of serving as a wire cutter, blade, wire cutter, metal slicer, bottle opener and screwdriver.
My name is Deepak Dave. After RIBA, I continue the information about M9 Bayonet. M9 Bayonet was designed and developed by the Charles Hamlet Mikey Finn at his company R&D. Mikey Finn sought to develop a sort of Swiss army knife. This knife is useful for military, for combat fight purpose. M9 Bayonet won over 49 other competitors and the only contract paid entry to have a 0% failure rate. It is improved, refined copy of the CS3 Bayonet developed by the Soviet Union for AKM.
Myself Shravan Mastey, I give the information about Pinaka. Pinaka is a multiply rocket in launcher
पेज कहाँ है
was developed. Pinaka is a multiple rocket launcher produced in India and developed by the DRDO in Indian Army. The system has a maximum range of 40 kilometer for Mark 1 enhanced version.
Myself Chindu Singh, and after continuous struggle, we can from Pinaka multi-barrel launcher. Let us discuss the Pinaka multi-barrel launcher used in Kargil War. During the Kargil War in 1999, the Pinaka was effectively employed to eliminate enemy forces and their position atop mountain. The army generally deploys a battery that has total of 72 rockets. All of these 72 rockets can be fired in 44 seconds, taking out an area of 1 kilometer. Thank you.
My name is Nisha Mazikar. I am telling short information about Amrita. Amrita is a lead-acid nuclear MIRV capable intercontinental ballistic missile (ICBM) developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO) of India. The missile has the range of more than 7,000 km. It is a 3-stage mobile, road, canisterized, soil, fuel, plastic missile. The Agni-5, the Defense Research Scientist and Natarajan disclosed in 2007 that DRDO was working on the enhanced version or upgraded version of Agni-3 and Agni-5. So this shows that our India is improving in the terms of science and technology, and we should wish that our India in 2050 our India should upgrade it in all the terms like science, technology, agriculture, etc. etc. So our presentation is before ending our presentation, let us discuss the contribution of each member. First, every members have contributed financially, and the design that is created by Harsh, and he is not the part of our group, but we collaborated with the old weapons. So the designs and the photos are made by me and Sapak, and I also get some find some information about these weapons, and every members have contributed financially and also also by learning it and presenting here the speech of these weapons. So I want to end our presentation here. Thank you so much.